Hi all, did you know that we do a balance song and a push-up song in almost every single one of our classes? I just had to mention this because as I was editing this video, it was amazing to me to see how much everybody's balance had improved. And it just goes to show, the more you work at it, the easier it gets.
I roll. Who I am is carved in stone. Yeah, I've been this way since I was born. 'Cause I'm wild, I'm on fire. Can't put me out, can't take me down. I burn, baby, burn. Like I'm wild, I'm on fire. Can't put me out, can't take me down. I burn, baby, burn like a wildfire. Like a wildfire. Lord knows I've been here before. Devil done tried to tame my roar. But little did that devil know